Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon Flux 87. In this video I'll show you how to reset keyboard calibration. To reset the keyboard calibration, let's go to Dedicated app. Enter Settings and go to Keyboard Settings. Select Reset Calibration and confirm. Now calibrate the keyboard from the beginning. Press each key on the keyboard until they all turn green to complete. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.